Hey guys, we are now in the truck. Back to reality. Ika nga. Yeah, we left in the house early morning para hindi kami masyadong maabutan doon sa traffic. And then yeah, I will post some videos that I took yesterday. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Is this a building houses or I mean commercial houses or?
This one on the right.
No, left.
Yeah, these are
Apartments.
apartments. No house.
Kimi gibi
Yoluna giderken bak.
No, there are also that underneath first floor is business.
چی اونا که دسته به نمیذاره شاید بشه
خونن گفتم آره خونم هم خونن پایین طبقه پایینشون هم بیزینس.
اینا همشون بیزنس داره بابا.
Wow. I wonder how much is the ticket like that. Are we going cross? Hanap kami ng restaurant para bumili ng kape at para gumamit na rin ng restroom. Are we gonna cross now? Oh, okay. I thought the other side. Take me video here, honey. Wow, look at this, guys. Daming mga yati, guys. It's a big yacht, guys. Yung iba dito, guys, parang ginagawa na nilang bahay din. Why did he put numbering here? To identification of which area they park?
Yeah, he has a
Yan, guys, so
905 spot.
identification for their slot.
Like an apartment.
May hinahanap kaming store. I don't know where. Hindi ko na matandaan. Ito yung ice cream and yogurt. Ice cream sa malamig na panahon. I will try this one. The Mayor's. I like salted caramel. This is the Persian store, guys. Pumasok muna kami saglit kasi may binibili yung asawa ko. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Basta dolma, hummus, tabbouleh salad. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Pauwi na kami, guys. Galing kami ng grocery. Namili ng asawa ko ng konting food for us. Para dalhin namin bukas. Bukas na ang alis namin. Back to the road na naman kami bukas. So, yeah. See you, guys.